Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain about how we traversing a string in Python. First, we should know what is the strings. In Python, strings are a simple text consisting of sequence of characters, letters, numbers, and special characters. And also, a string can be accessed by the characters one at a time with the help of bracket operator. Okay, traversing a string means accessing all the elements of the string one after other by using the index. A string can be traversed using for loop or while loop. Here is the example for traversal with the for loop. One execution of the for loop, the characters in the strings are printed till the end of the string is not reached. Bird equal to parrot, for letter in bird, print letter. Each time in the loop, the next character in the string is assigned to the variable letter. The loop continues until the no characters are left. Here using for loop, the letter in the bird, that is a parrot, is printed one after another. The output was shown here. Next, traversal with a while loop. Here is an example for traversal with a while loop. Bird equal to parrot, I equal to 0, while I less than or I less than len of bird. Letter equal to bird of I. Print letter of I equal to I plus 1. Here, len of function calculates the length of the string. On entering the while loop, the interpreter checks the conditions. If the condition is true, it enters the loop. The first character in the string is displayed. The value I is incremented by 1. The loop continues till value I is less than minus 1. This loop traverses the string and displays each letter on a line by itself. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box. Thank you.